Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Hope you're doing great as always. Today we're just going to make some quality of life changes to the inventory system, as well as show you kind of what you're having equipped, add some more items to the player so we can test it out, and then in the coming videos we're just going to go ahead and work on all the other cool stuff. Add some names to our armors and weapons and all that stuff. So it's kind of personalized. But before we get started, please check out the description box as always. You got a bunch of useful links down there. Twitter, Discord, support page, all that stuff as usual. Also, drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. But let's just keep going here. So first of all, I want to make sure that when in the character inventory state, let's see. There is a way to add an item. So we print it out, and then also here we get a choice. And we print out all the items, and we get a choice. No such item. Otherwise, we equip it. Yeah, we do equip it. So this is if it exists. Set weapon. So I just want to print out something here. I want to do a cout, std cout, this, no, weapon pointer, get name, and then equipped. So I see that it actually worked, and then a new line, like that, system pause, whoops. Pause. Just want to pause the system right there. Sorry about the sounds. Let's see. So once you equip it, equipped. Kind of want to have an alert thing in the GUI options, but we'll fix that as the time goes on. But we'll kind of tell us it equipped that item. Otherwise, it equipped this armor. Armor PDR. Get name equipped. So let's just go ahead and try that. Let's see if we get the desired effect here. Character menu, inventory, equip item. So say I want to equip the helmet equipped. This is just named helmet. Equip item, chest plate equipped. Equip item 0, super sword equipped. Okay. So that works. It shouldn't be 1 though. It should be, I don't know what I usually have. GUI options, message functions, string 4. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Let's make an alert here. So this is an error. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the error thingy. And I'm going to say GUI message alert. Alright. And go into GUI or message functions H here. I'm just going to say alert here as well. Alert, like that. So there you go. So just make a little easy alert here. So it's nothing like that. Just maybe, I don't know, maybe something like this. Just message, whatever, doesn't really matter. That's kind of a alert. No, that's a error. This is an alert. Yeah, that should be fine. So let's just go back into inventory state. And let's say cout msg no GUI msg alert, and then the string. So you get the name plus this whole thing, and then pretty much like that, and you just want to system pause it. Alert weapon pointer, and let's see if the system pause is included in the, no it's not. Okay, so you gotta control that yourself, but that's cool. That should be fine. Now we don't have to try that. It should be perfectly fine. There we go. So now we know what the hell's going on. Now I just want to go into character and begin this whole process of fixing stuff. So when we go into toString stats here, we have a big problem. When we want to see if a weapon is equipped, we need to kind of do this whole thing, okay? And I don't want to have to do that. I want to make functions for all of this. So print toString weapon, toString armor head, toString armor, all that stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and go into character, and maybe I'm gonna make a little toString, maybe just one function. Maybe just one function. Where are all the toString functions? toString equipped. What is that? toString equipped. Let me just see what that is. Did I begin? Yeah, I kind of started here on this. Okay, so we'll just keep working with toString equipped. None equipped. This armor head. This armor head. Armor head. Is that how I print it? I'm not sure. toString. What looks good? What looks good though? toString. Do I just write head? Armor head. No, I do write armor head. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep working on that then. So armor head says none. Else armor chest. So it's kind of tedious. I know it's very tedious. Armor chest. Armor chest. None equipped. Okay, so we just have to do this once. Remember that. That's why we're gonna just do this. Armor chest, head, legs, no, shoulders, right? Armor head, shoulders, chest, probably. Probably it should be before. I don't know what order they're in. Let's go into, let's see. It's not that important, but kind of in item.h. Let's see. So we usually have wait, armor.h. Here we go. So what do we have? We have head, chest, shoulders, arms, legs. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep that order then, because that kind of helps us make sense. You wanna, when you're making games and stuff, and you're making applications and stuff, you wanna make sure you have things consistent. Doesn't really matter. I know it kind of feels, for lack of a better word, anal, but it kind of is, you know. So, but kind of have to have that in mind. Hands, armor shoulders, none equipped, armor shoulders. Okay, armor hands, armor arms, I guess. Armor arms. Okay, armor arms, toString. Was that the way I had it in armor as well? Arms, yeah, okay, then it's fine. All right, just need one more. That's it. Just legs. This is just one more. I know it's tedious again, but let's just do it. It's beautiful. Once this is done, you're gonna be just playing this game all day. Who knows what Fortnite is, right? This is the game to play. So you're just gonna be loving it. So there you go. Armor, legs, all that stuff. So now we got toString equipped, and it's just gonna print that whole thing out for me. Cool. Okay, so instead of all this crap here, I'm just gonna remove this. I'm just gonna do SS. Just go ahead and do that. Makes it look better, I think. Pretty much. There you go. SS. This toString equipped, and then maybe a new line there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need it, but probably. And then we're good. Okay, so this is good. This is in the toString stats, usually the one we use for stuff. Now I'm gonna have to change all the damage stuff as well, and I'm just gonna print toString. I'm just gonna, what should I call it? Should we call it toString short? Should we call it toString short? Let's call it toString, because it doesn't make sense. I need toString stats. I need that name. Short. Let's put it above, or just below the toString, just to make sure. Character. Just put it right below the toString. I know this is also something annoying, but it will help you keep track of your functions, what is doing what is what. So there you go. So toString short basically doesn't print out the name and the bio, and that's good. So now we need to do the toString stats function. Equipped const. You could just go into character.h, just copy toString equipped, just copy that. Whoops. toString stats. All right, stats, and then their attributes and their stats. So we're gonna do both, but for now we'll just keep that. Go ahead and do it. Control.enter character.cpp, and pretty much all you want to do is you want to copy paste all of this stuff. I'm pretty sure you want to do that. Pretty sure. Just copy paste that. Now, what to do? How much time do we have? Well, we don't have a lot of time. Might be that I need to continue this in the next one, but let me just think. So what we're gonna do is, I have weapon here. Now I'm not gonna do this toString here. If this weapon, then we're gonna print it out in that way. So damage min. How did I used to have it? Now I shouldn't have removed that. Well, I could probably see it in toString here. Damage. Here we go. So damage min. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. Copy that. Put that in here. Just paste that. There you go. So we have the damage min. All that stuff. If the weapon is equipped. Otherwise, we're just going to paste that in there again. Put that down one step. Plus, no, we're not gonna use that. Pretty much just remove everything that has to do with the weapon. Pretty much. And just print that out. So there you go. That's how that's gonna work. Now, that is because weapon is weapon. Now we're gonna need a interesting way of doing the whole armor thing. Yeah, probably we're gonna have to create an int defense like this, and if armor head, if armor chest, okay. And then we're gonna do SS defense down here, and a new line probably, and then we're gonna do defense, and then like that, this defense. So there you go. So we're gonna have the character's own defense, and then the temp defense. I'll just call it temp defense, just so I don't confuse it. Temp defense, and we're gonna add stuff to defense if these exist. So if any of these are equipped, we'll just add the defense. Okay. So that's cool. Temp defense plus equals this armor head dot get defense, like that. So that's basically what you want to do for all of these. Just change the armor head to whatever you have here. So armor legs, armor arms, armor shoulders, and then armor chest right there. So boom. So this is all gonna work. So we're gonna get a temporary armor thingy going here. Just gonna add that. Let's go back into the toString function. Let's just see how that works, because I'm gonna have to end the video now. pretty much. Weapon, defense. Okay, cool. So it was just that way, and then we'll continue on with hit rating, crit chance, and all that stuff. So 2-string stats, pretty much. 2-string stats. So let's just go into 2-string short. 2-string equipped, and then SS this 2-string stats. Alright, and I'm not gonna do a new line there, but you know what I could do? I can just do a thing here like that, remove this, new line, pretty much something like that. Let's just try this before we end the video. Been a long video, this one, but it was required. Let's just see. If it doesn't work properly, we'll just fix it in the next one. Shouldn't be any problems. Start the game. First of all, whoops, -1. Start the game. Character menu, inventory. First, let's try to equip an item. Let's equip the super sword. Okay, super sword equipped. That was our alert. Now we're gonna go ahead into the stats. Okay, stats. Okay, it's very interesting. Very interesting. SS. Just want to keep adding stuff to it. Shouldn't be a problem doing it that way, unless our 2-string stats is kind of strange. Wait, oh, I'm dumb. Just go ahead in here, do a 2-string, instead of 2-string stats, you want to do 2-string short. Character menu, where's character menu state? Character menu state CPP, and then print menu, no, update menu, here you go. 2-string short, it should say. Short. Okay, so 2-string short. Let's just do this. God damn it. Start the game. Character menu. 2-string stats. We got the weapon equipped. We got the defense. The total should be there. The total should be there. So let's just fix that, and then we'll end the video. So character.cpp string temp defense plus this defense. So we'll just do this defense plus temp defense. There you go. So now it should work. Okay, cool. We're good to go, guys and girls. Thank you for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. It's been a long video. Sorry about that. But yeah, I hope you learned something. Keep working hard. Check out the description box for all the links. Drop a like, subscribe if you like the content, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. All right, bye bye.